Yes, all right. My client brought something like this, and I had to think a lot to see what I can do from it. And then my mind came to think of how we always do the butterfly locks, and I was like, let me also do it in that format. Maybe it can come out like as a fox locks. So this is what came out. So, and I would like you also to join me today so that we can have this look, and uh, you follow me with all these steps that I'm going to be taking, that we can learn more about it. So yes, I realized that what we can do first is first plait her own hair. So here there's some two different things that I would like you to watch very careful, that whenever we are doing this, because I know you guys know how to do the butterfly locks, but there's something that I realized that you need also to know. Maybe it will help you. Is this way or the way we start from down? There is that starting that I'm going to show you something that is that we always do, and you will see the change, some different with this one that I'm doing now. In that, for me, when I'm doing these notes, this one that I'm doing right now, I do them still. I follow my rule of doing the inside, the inside, like let's say inside cornrow. So it's the same thing, like I start with that. I start with the inside plating. So I would like you to get to join me and try to be very careful, like try to be attentive so that you can see the difference here that I'm going to be showing you. Try to look at them the way, like they're flat, they're down. So you see how I'm doing it is like I start it going like down. You see, if you try to observe, in that mine just comes when it is sleep, like it is down. You understand? It is down. So it is in two ways. Like my braid that I'm going to be maybe crocheting from it will also be down, not to stand. You understand? So I'd like you also to try it out, to see to use this method, because it is somehow different from the other one that you've been doing. So let's try to see here something that I was trying to explain to you the way it is. Those ones who always ask me, I'm using the molding gel. Yes, the molding gel, that one helped me to collect all the hair together. Yes, like for their hair that always slippery, you cannot just hold it. Or maybe what I know, if you don't have it, you can still use the water. Yes, you can still use the water. You see how I started? Like I'm plating the inside cornrows. You see, it is very, very easy, and it makes my braid to be down. You understand? Make my braid to be down, though still you can do anything with it. So it's only the beginning that matters, and I hope so that you can also try it out and see the difference, because I believe you guys, most of you know how to do the butterfly locks. So you should try to do this beginning, and you will see the difference between this one and that one that you always do. So yes, I forgot to introduce myself. My name is Maurice, the Crochet Master, and I go by the names of Maurice, the Crochet Master, on my personal account. Yes, you can go and follow me up so that we can chat more. And for the company name is Hair Zipper. So for you guys who'd like to see all these the pictures that I always take doing most of these hairstyles, you can go and follow Hair Zipper on social media, Instagram and Facebook, Hair Zipper. So this is how we do it, and I told you I'm using the same method. Yes, I'm using the same method with the way we do the butterfly locks. So yeah, you should not get reset, like you should not get confused the way I'm doing this. So if you know how to do the butterfly locks, that means you'll be able to do this hair. Yeah, she just came with that hair and she wanted something from it, and I thought of doing the braiding. Yes, I thought of doing the braiding, but I was like, maybe the braid will be might be somehow hard. Yes, they might be somehow hard, and I was like, let me try to use the butterfly lock, since you can do it as soft as possible the way you want it. So this is how we are doing this, and I'm doing it with my team. Like I always tell you that I work with my team. These are some of my students that I'll be having, and when they get to learn most of my things, then we start working together, because they also help me a lot. So I believe that if you already see the things that I be doing, you can also do something from it. You see how it is very flexible, and I like it. So crocheting, we always crochet from the sides. That one I always say it, we always crochet from the side, and then after you just have to make sure that maybe you know where your line is, like you know where your braid is going to end, so that you can pull it and measure it where it's going to end. Then after there, you can start doing the wrapping, like the way you can see how she's doing it. This is something that is very simple, and by then I remember the things the fox logs, and used to some people used to fear them, thinking that they're painful, but right now it is no longer painful, just because of that thing that we always do first, to first plait someone's hair. So after plaiting someone's hair, you'll be with that guarantee of the guarantee of knowing that the hair is already firm already, because you had plaited it. And then when you're just wrapping this, there's no need of making it very hard. Yes, like the way you would start before plaiting the hair only. Then you just bring the hair and you start plaiting. You start plaiting there, and then that one's a bit how difficult, because it means you'll have to make it, you'll plait it very firm, trying to make the hair, trying to make the braid look firm. So you'd find yourself maybe it's becoming painful. But when you first braid someone's hair first, and then you apply this, it's just become very easy and flexible. And in fact, for this hair type, I can't say that those ones with 4C type cannot do it, you can still do it because it is really very soft, very soft, and doesn't have anything. So then after, when we're done with that, we can just try to apply the anti-itchy as usual. Then we see how we can style it. So after, I had to come and see how the work is done. You can see how it is very perfect. Yeah, but this one comes like the beginning. The foundation is what matters, because if the foundation is not okay, that means the other result is not going to look very neat. So this is how we are doing this. Yes, and I got the idea of doing it from these fox locks, or from the butterfly locks, the way they do them. So I know you can also try, and something that you see, material that you see, try to try it out with something, and trust me, you'll get something that you didn't know. So it's all about creativity. Let me shout out to everyone who is watching me. If you're a return subscriber, make a point of subscribing. Thank you so much. And those ones, if it's your first time to be on this channel, just know you're on the right channel, because we do uploads in every Wednesday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. So you're good to go to see all these different types of hairstyles. My name is Morris, the crochet master, and for now, let me sign out, guys. See you. Bye bye.